Chime's original credit builder secured card is a legacy product, and new credit builder accounts are no longer available. Chime has replaced it with the secured Chime card, Chime Visa credit card, which works similarly to help build credit with on-time payments, no interest, and no annual fee. No traditional credit check is required to apply. Here's how to get the Chime card. Download the Chime app and open a free Chime checking account. You must be 18 plus, have a US address, and provide personal details plus SSN or ITIN for identity verification. Once you have a checking account, go to Settings in the app and tap Try Chime Card or select it during sign-up. Follow the on-screen prompts to enroll. Fund your account. The amount moved to the secured deposit account becomes your spending limit. Your physical card typically arrives in 7 to 10 business days. Activated in the app. A virtual card is often available sooner. Requirements: note, full benefits and historically credit builder eligibility often require at least one qualifying direct deposit of 200 plus from an employer, payroll, gig, or benefits payer. Peer-to-peer transfers usually do not count.